If you're seeing an MSN Timeout error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix you can try right from your Windows desktop. This method is simple, fast, and can often help resolve loading issues by clearing out old network data in your system. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, make sure you're on the desktop. Then press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the Run window, type CMD, then press Enter to open Command Prompt. If Windows asks for permission, allow it so the command window can open. Once Command Prompt is open, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This command clears your DNS cache, which can help fix connection problems and timeout errors when websites aren't loading properly. After you press Enter, wait for the confirmation message. You should see a message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. That means the command worked. Once you see that confirmation, you can close Command Prompt. Now open your browser and go to msn.com again. Try loading the site and see if the timeout error is gone. In many cases, this simple DNS refresh can make a big difference and get MSN working normally again. If it still doesn't load right away, wait a minute and try refreshing the page one more time. Sometimes the issue is temporary and clears up after the cache has been reset. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix an MSN timeout error using a quick DNS flush on Windows. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this one.